everyone, let's see the option split column now. Okay, this option will help you when you have more than one data in one single column that you need to split into multiple columns for your analysis. Okay, let's example. Here you can see you have a date column which contains date, month and year. Okay, all the data is available in one single column, but for your analysis you need month as a separate column, year as a separate column, date as a separate column. In that case manual entry will not work it out, it will take times. If it's 2 rows it's okay, if it's 2000 rows, imagine, it's very difficult, right? So what we can do, by selecting these columns we can use the split column option to separate this data into 3 different columns. Let's see how to do that. First select this date column, split column, first option by delimiter. What it means? Delimiter means, for example, with any symbol you can able to split the data. Click on this by delimiter. Here you can see by default it have some delimiter values: colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab. In this case if you want to split according to any value, for example 27 comma 01 comma 26, in that case you can click on this comma and click OK. Now in our case hyphen, it's not available here, so click on custom, enter your data here, hyphen. Okay, split at, now we want to split at each occurrence of the delimiter, so click on this option. If you want to split only one time with the leftmost delimiter, you can click on this option, or rightmost you can click. Now for in our case we need each occurrence, we need to split it up, so click on this option, click OK. Now you can see 27 as a separate one, you can rename this as date, 1 as a month and 26 as a year. Okay, this is how effectively you can split your data with split by delimiter option. Here you have one value 26 as a year, 01 month, 27 date, AB name, UK country. Okay, in this case each type have 2 characters, 26 as a one year, 01 as a month. Likewise you have data for 5 columns in one single column, so you want to split this up with each 2 characters. Okay, first 2 characters as a year 26, next 2 characters as a month, next 2 characters as a date, next 2 as a name, next 2 as a country. In this case what can you do, select this column value, split by, okay, number of characters. Okay, here it will help you to split with specific number of characters. In our case we need to split this up with 2 characters each, so click on this OK. Now you can see year, month, date, name, country, all are in one single column. Now by using this split by number of characters we have split it up with 5 different columns. Okay, next value you can see emp hyphen 2026 hyphen 001. In my case I want to split this into 2 separate columns, one column as a emp, another column as a 2026 001. In this case you don't have specific knowledge, number of characters will not match, delimiter will not match. Okay, we don't want to split by each delimiter. In this case we can use the positions 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want to split with third position, so split column by positions 3. Okay, in this case my data will be splitted into 2026 001 as a separate one. Okay, next you have another column day. Okay, next one data. Okay, here you can see it consists of lowercase and uppercase. In our case we need to split this into 3 different columns: power as a 1, BI as a 1, desktop as a 1. Okay, in this case I want to split with lowercase as a separate. When the first lowercase is started I want to split the column, so click on, select this column, click on by lowercase to uppercase. So when the first uppercase is encountered, the lowercase is entered, it will split up into two different columns. You can see lowercase to uppercase. Both got separated. When the lowercase and uppercase are joined, it will split there. Okay, here you can see lowercase I, D is uppercase, it split here. Okay. Next one, country. Here you can see when the uppercase and lowercase is together, it will split it up here, uppercase to lowercase. USA as a separate one, state code as a separate one. Next column, it mixed up with text and number. It means digit value and non-digit value. When the non-digit value and digit value was together, we need to split this into two. Okay. In our case, click to digit to non-digit. When the digit value 3 and non-digit value A is there, now the split will happen when we select by digit to non-digit. You can see both got separated. Next column, non-digit to digit. We have non-digit value E and digit value 6. Now we want to split this up. So click on non-digit to digit. So analyze as a separate one, 6 to 1 2 as a separate one. This is how, by using the split column, these options will help you to split the column into multiple columns with your requirement. In this case, you can see, for example, I am again try to do this split by non-digit to digit. In advanced option, okay, here it's not showing. For example, here I try to split with the positions. Here you can see in advanced option, you can able to select column rows, split into column or rows. So for each advanced option, you can able to select, if you want to split as a column or rows, you can select. If you click rows, this 3 will be converted into 3 different rows. If you select column, this 3 will be transferred into 3 different columns. Okay, this is how, by using the split column option, you can able to split the values for your analysis.